Every time I lay my head at night, I pray to God watch over me, cause I ain't living right. Reminiscing how I told you that I've been hurt before. Then you
gotta take off this tire and check the brake. As I said, it was squeaking. Gotta do it the old-fashioned way. Two front. We had got some brake cleaner, as you can see right here, from O'Reilly's. And we have, it's a 40mm to take off the caliper, and we have this tool right here to push back in the piston. We also got an extension if we can't get off the 40mm bolt when we get to when we take the tire off. So we're working on it right now. I know that I sound like I'm out of breath. I really am, because I finished the other side. Didn't really have no time to show you guys a little recording, but gotta do what I gotta do, you know. Whew. Alright, so alright, that should be good. I just put that, should have put that like on neat to get, yeah, have a little extra protection, yeah. For real, it's very important, boy. Alright, so we'll take the 40mm. Oh man, I can't remember which side that I had did last time over there at the bottom.
Top, you started it.
You sure it was in the bottom? Did I take off?
Because remember you were trying to figure out whether it was left to loose. You was at the top.
I'm talking about over there. Did I take the bottom? I think I took the bottom off first. Hey, let's see. Okay, I gotta use my extension. So you said the top I should do?
You right. Because if you do the bottom, you gotta worry about it once you.
Yeah, because the bottom I pull it up.
Yeah, you're right.
Why can't I get it properly? Sorry. Bolt. I think that I'm tightening. Man, no leverage, no proper.
So hold on.
Yeah. Okay, so you know what? Let me go from here. I can't really get no. I think that I'm tightening.
Yeah.
Okay, so let me go up, because this is the other side, so.
You good?
Yeah, I got it.
Okay. So it's left to right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Woo. Oh man. What a pain. Almost messed up my fingers. Alright, so we got it. Here's the bolt. Look at the brakes. She said that it's squeaking, making noise, so what we gonna do, basically gonna take it off just like so. Yeah. Spray some brake cleaner. Clean it up. I'm going to take off the other side as well. It's all that dust, all that dirt. Clean the back of this as well. Get all that extra dust. Alright guys, so you could get one of these for like $2 something at I should have bought 2
O'Reilly,
because this is really dirty, really bad, as you can see, you know. But this is the other one. I'm gonna put this aside for right now, and I'm gonna deal with this one first, and then I'll get to the second one. Alright, so what I'm gonna do, get some lube, some grease, you know, and just grease the back of it, especially here at the top when I reinstall it, you know. No one hear no squeak, no squeals, none of that, you know. So I should have bought like, get like 4 of these. Instead of using one, cause these finish quick. Yeah, that should do. Alright, so I'm gonna reinstall this, and I'm gonna get to the second one. So it's like this right here. You put it through here. Make sure that pin down. Make sure this pin down, and it's bam, just like that. Okay, the second one. Well, you guys can't really see, but just recycle the same thing. Do the same thing that I did for the first one. Just lubricate. The back of it. Man, they need to fix this thing, do this thing properly, man. Put together.
what's up?
Alright. That should be good. Alright. So this should be good, and I'm gonna reinstall the other one. This one. This is one of the hardest part to do because it's in the other side. On the other side. So push the tire further underneath. This one is like one of the hardest one because of the position. Alright guys, so we back. Got to press in this piston. We got the both of them in.
That's the one-on-one. DK is shit. Nigga think they the club. You got it,
Yeah, I got it.
I got me some headphones too. Yeah, I got pictures on the charger. Cause I had bought the other.
Alright, so that's in.
The little ear pod. That shit bruised my ear. Like
it's so weighty.
Oh, never again. I'm gonna spin that.
I got some. I don't know how much I paid for the ones I got. I ain't get those. I got the other ones. That bitch, you be so blocked out. You be vibing so hard. Sometimes I be forget. Oh my bad, bro. When I'm driving, bitch, you can't have this shit on your head. You try to fool.
Alright, so it's this way. This way.
Oh, you talking about these? Oh yeah.
And this way. Tighten it. There we go. Alright, that should be good. And we're gonna put the tire back on, and then we're gonna check it out to see if we're gonna hear any squeals, any sound. We should be good. Alright guys.
You know I gotta go get me set up for those.
So there we go. We reinstalling back the tire. Make sure we tighten it back up before we drop it, and when we drop it, we will extra tighten it back up. Alright, so alright guys, that should be it. We're gonna take a test drive and see how it sounds. Really appreciate the love and support. Please like, subscribe. Hard work paid off. I'm a boss. Can you tell? For real, man. And we out. Peace.